Hi, this is Suzanne from SL Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble my hexagonal florist box. The template for this box is on my Etsy shop, and you'll find the link for that in the description below. Okay, to start with, once you've cut everything out, you need to fold all of these score lines. Now these ones here will be mounting folds, so just reinforcing them with a bone folder. And this one at the top needs to be a valley fold. Okay, so now you need to glue the panels on. So I've already gone ahead with 5 of them. So just try to leave an even border all the way around, like this. Then turn the piece over, and you need to glue this smaller panel to the top. Again, leaving an even border all the way around. So next you need to take one of the hexagons, they're both the same size, and apply some glue to the bottom tab of one of the side pieces. Then carefully line up the score line so that it still folds down. Then take another side piece and glue it into place, exactly the same. Just making sure that you don't overlap those two tabs. Then just continue all the way around. And it should look like this. Okay, next you need to apply some glue to the two tabs on one of the side pieces. And then carefully line them up to the next side piece. Just pressing it down, making sure it's all lined up. Then do the same on the next side. And work your way around. And when you get towards the end, you can start to use a bone folder or a ruler to press against. Oh, here's my cat Prince. Have you come to join in? who come to join in? No? Okay. So just pressing it against that bone folder. Then once all of those pieces are joined up, just fold over those top pieces. And you can glue the second hexagon to the base. So this is going to help to strengthen the base as well as hide all of those tabs. Just pressing it all down. So now that it's finished, let me just show you another one that I made earlier. So on this one I've used 2 different pattern papers. And there they are, hexagonal florist boxes.